We often get asked whether Giraffe is intended for people without a technical background. And the answer is, it is. It is a technical product, but it is simple enough to be used by anyone. In the next 30 seconds, I am going to create a project in 3D, geolocated, with all the planning metrics automatically calculated. And I'm going to do it from a standing start. Create a blank project, hide the portfolio layer, search for the cadastral layer or parcel layer in my area, and add it to the project. Hit the T key and zoom in. I'm going to select the residential use and draw a rectangle across the top of my site. I immediately see accurate shadows and all the planning metrics I need. I'm going to set the levels to 5, hit the T key, and I'm done. A geolocated building with accurate shadows and planning measurements.